thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania until 9 p.m. At 8:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Holland, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ephrata, New Holland, Akron, Lella, Reamstown, Rossville, Adamstown, Terre Hill, Churchtown, Barreville, Leacock, and Bowmansville. This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 285 to 295. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following county: Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Here is